Most businesses think they need more leads, but the truth is many are already sitting on thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. You see, there's a rule in sales most people never realize: the first contact. Many are already sitting on thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. You see, most businesses reach out once, maybe twice, then move on. So let's say you get 10 leads, maybe one converts immediately. But what happens to the other 9? You see, many businesses forget those 9 leads even exist, but those leads still have interest. You see, people often need to decide, sometimes days, sometimes weeks, but those leads still have interest. I repeat, those leads still have interest, okay? Imagine that 1 out of 10, those other 9 leads still have interest. Plug that in your head, okay? Follow up. So time matters, but people often need time to decide. Sometimes days, sometimes weeks. But businesses that follow up consistently capture opportunities others miss. If you don't have a CRM, which is also known, if you're new to these softwares, it's called a Customer Relationship Management System software, you can start simple, which is a notebook, a spreadsheet, daily follow-up lists, okay? So here are 3 follow-up minimums. A simple rule: follow up at least 3 times. Many deals happen after the second or third contact. Remember, follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up. They got to know you, okay? So, eventually, businesses automate this process. Many deals happen after the second or third contact. I'm going to repeat that. Eventually, businesses automate this process. Many deals happen after the second or third contact. Most businesses don't have a lead problem. I always repeat that. Most businesses don't have a lead problem. They have a follow-up system problem. So, if you like to see how businesses turn simple follow-up habits into automated systems, I created a breakdown called the Invisible Lead System every growing business has. You can find the link in the description.